Welcome back to our space. In today's video, we're going to talk about the 5 best Traxxas RC cars for beginners 2025. After extensive research across various websites, I've compiled a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. Whether you're focused on price, performance, or specific uses, I'm here to help you out. For more details on the products, I've included links in the description below. Keep in mind this isn't a review video, but rather a product showcase. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and of course, subscribe to the channel. Number 5. The TRX4 Sport High Trail Edition stands out as one of the top Traxxas picks for beginners in 2025. Designed to be easy to drive while delivering serious off-road performance, it comes factory equipped with a long arm lift kit, adding over an inch of extra ground clearance, perfect for tackling technical trails. Its clipless body system offers both clean styling and quick access to the chassis, combining convenience with a rugged scale appearance. The aggressive S1 compound Canyon trail tires are mounted on 2.2 inches black 5-spoke wheels and provide outstanding traction across all terrains. This model is a great value for beginners, offering durability, simple maintenance, and a high level of scale detail. It comes fully equipped with a functional expedition rack and molded accessories, including a snorkel, side mirrors, traction boards, fire extinguisher, jack, and fuel canisters. With an impressive 62.78 degrees approach angle and a 54.72 degrees departure angle right out of the box, the High Trail Edition is built to handle the toughest challenges, making it ideal for new hobbyists looking for a reliable and capable crawler. Number 4. The Traxxas Bandit 2WD XL5 is one of the best beginner-friendly RC cars in 2025, offering an excellent balance of affordability, durability, and ease of control. Designed as a 1/10 scale electric buggy, it's perfect for those new to RC vehicles who want a reliable and exciting driving experience. Powered by a Titan 12-turn 550 motor and paired with a waterproof XL5 electronic speed control, the Bandit delivers strong, consistent performance on a variety of terrains. Its 2-wheel drive system provides nimble handling, making it easy to drive both on and off-road. Built with extreme heavy-duty suspension parts and a lightweight chassis, this buggy withstands rough conditions while maintaining great speed and maneuverability. The included 3000 mAh NiMH battery and fast USB-C charger mean you get longer run times and quick recharges, so the fun doesn't stop. The Traxxas TQ 2.4 GHz radio system ensures precise, reliable control, while the waterproof electronics allow you to drive in all kinds of weather. Overall, the Bandit 2 WD XL5 is a top choice for beginners seeking durability, control, and outstanding value in an RC car. Number 3. The Traxxas Stampede 2WD XL5 is a top choice for beginners looking for an affordable, durable, and easy-to-control RC monster truck. Built in 1/10 scale, it features a powerful Titan 12-turn 550 motor paired with a waterproof XL5 electronic speed controller, delivering reliable performance on a variety of terrains. Its extreme heavy-duty suspension and rugged chassis make it highly durable, able to withstand rough off-road conditions while providing a smooth ride. The truck includes a high-capacity 3000 mAh NiMH battery and a fast USB-C charger, allowing for extended playtime and quick recharging. The TQ 2.4 GHz radio system ensures precise and interference-free control, perfect for beginners developing their driving skills. With a clipless body design, battery changes are quick and hassle-free, keeping you on the track longer. Reaching speeds over 48 km/h, the Stampede offers exciting performance with the reliability and ease of use needed for those new to RC cars. Its combination of durability, control, and value makes it one of the best beginner-friendly Traxxas models in 2025. Number 2. The Traxxas Rustler 2WD XL5 is a fantastic choice for beginners in 2025, looking for an affordable and easy-to-drive RC stadium truck. Powered by a Titan 12-turn 550 motor and a waterproof XL5 electronic speed control, it delivers strong performance on a variety of terrains, from smooth pavement to light off-road trails. Its factory-installed extreme heavy-duty suspension ensures durability and reliable handling, making it perfect for jumps, drifts, and fast cornering. The lightweight chassis combined with the two-wheel drive system offers great control and responsiveness, ideal for those just starting out. The Rustler includes a 3000 mAh NiMH battery and a fast USB-C charger, providing long run times and quick recharge to maximize fun. Its clipless body design allows for easy battery changes while maintaining a sleek look. Reaching speeds over 56 km/h, the Rustler balances speed, durability, and ease of use, making it one of the best value Traxxas RC cars for beginners in 2025. Number 1. The Traxxas 2WD XL5 is a top pick for beginners in 2025 who want an affordable, durable, and easy-to-handle RC short course truck. Built on a 1/10 scale, it combines strong performance with rugged construction, making it ideal for newcomers to off-road RC racing. Powered by a Titan 12-turn 550 motor and paired with a waterproof XL5 electronic speed controller, the Slash delivers reliable power across various terrains. Its independent 4-point extreme heavy-duty suspension ensures excellent durability and smooth handling during jumps and rough trails. The TQ 2.4 GHz radio system provides precise interference-free control, perfect for beginners developing their driving skills. Included is a 3000 mAh NiMH battery with a fast USB-C charger, allowing for longer play sessions and quick recharges. With speeds exceeding 48 km/h, the Slash offers thrilling performance without compromising ease of use. Its clipless body design allows quick battery swaps and a clean look. Overall, the Slash 2WD XL5 stands out as a great value option for beginner RC enthusiasts in 2025. I hope this video has been helpful and has clarified some of your doubts. To get more information about the products, or to find out which one fits your budget, just click on the links in the descriptions. I don't mention the prices of the products because when you're watching the video, the prices may not match, as they vary depending on the time of year and can also go on sale. See you in the next video.